You know, now that I think about it, I feel like I could have been doing this series, well, these series the entire time. But oh well, I'm stupid. Hey, where's on, everybody? I am back today with another video, and, yes, the series are officially back, in case you have not watched the last video. Now, before I get into this, episode, I'd just like to... Sick of that. I'd just like to say, this video is gonna be going up a little late. That's because not only did this game update, and I can't do its update because it involves the events, I have to wait 11 hours and 21 hours to do either of them. But, I'm in the attic. That's where my bedroom is, and my recording room. And you guys know that attics tend to mean bees and wasps and that. A wasp landed on my leg when I was about to record. Because I had yellow shorts. So, that wasn't fun. Luckily, I didn't get stung. Because that would have sucked even more. But, yeah. Let's stop talking about all this. I'm going to get right into the episode. And let's go! Go! Thank you. Produce at least 3,000 sun. I think I can manage. Alright, so I need you, and you. And we got bucket boys. Actually, you know what? I need you. Yeah, you. I like you. And I need at least 2 100 people. Okay, perfect. Alright, you guys know my strategy with this level. Just wait for the zombies to come, see where I place the first plant, and then start from... Hey, instant butter, I love that. That's my favorite part about this guy. When he has the insta-butter. Because if he gets the insta-butter, ooh, you do not have to worry about the zombie for quite a bit of time. Alright, so I need a few more. Up. Yeah, I'm really sick of this. It's only Minecraft if this doesn't happen to me. Oh boy. Are you kidding me? That's the third... The third? Wow. I hope you guys didn't see that notification. I will be right back. Because my game's taking too long. The second I pause. The second I pause. Corns, please stop, peg leg. Hit the bird! Hit the bird! Hit the bird! Hit the bird, please! Oh no. Goodbye, sunflower. Gee, can you... That's the problem with having... You guys are just going to be seeing a picture, and I'm going to be getting nothing but notifications after minute after minute after minute. What makes that entire matter that hopefully you guys didn't see worse is the fact that it was the same person spamming. Like, they were saying one sentence in like 5 different texts. Oh no. Hit the... This is bad. This is bad. Stop taking the sunflowers! Is that what you do or something? Or is it that just... Oh no. Insta butter, insta butter, insta butter. Ah, insta butter. Thank you. Oh, you've got to be kidding me right now. Okay, I've got these guys everywhere now, so that's good. Oh yeah, I get suns back when I do that. Forgot. Are you kidding me right now? Hey! Butter right away. Yeah, I knew he was about to die. Alright. Alright, this side's less protected. Put a dude here. Oh, that was smart. There's a bucket, bro. I have different names for the bucket heads. Like that one, Buckethead. I feel like when I... don't you dare take what I think you're about to take. Don't you dare. Not my... Okay, that's less bad. Hey! See, that's why I choose bonk choose. They bonk the birds, unlike everything else. Oh no. Like, nothing else goes for the birds. Just these guys. The bonk choose. You my bros, because you go for the birds. The annoying birds. Come on, I need to produce more sun. I also need, This level's impossible without the, two-headed sunflower, I feel like. Or at least, a powered-up sunflower. Why did I put him there? Wait. I'm... Why did that not go up? Why is my sun meter not going up? Okay, that's not cool. Well, I lost this challenge. Shut up, game. Okay, I might know how to do this, but I might need to spend money to do it. Not real life money. Unless I have oh no, it's gems, that's right. I don't have gems. Do I? I have 39. So let's hope I get a sunflower in my Zen garden. Because if I can, then that will help significantly with this strategy that you guys are about to see, hopefully. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you, subtitles. I'm yelling at myself as well. I'm yelling at myself as well. This is why you check your Zen garden every day, ladies and gentlemen. I could have won if I remembered that. I really could have. Also, I didn't know the spring plant could be in the Zen garden. It didn't. Now I'm actually curious what its power boost ability is. Okay, same exact setup. Now, remember how you tap. There you go. The instant sunflowers are OP. Like when you get the sunflowers in the Zen garden, it's really good, especially for these challenges where you need to produce a set number of sun. Like, it's really, really handy. It's you. Yes, you hit the bird. You actually hit the bird. I think it's because the bird was going for this row. Not unlikely. Wow, the one place I did... I love it when they do that. You shouldn't be a pirate if you fall off the rope that easily. Alright, let's freeze everyone. I was going to say great timing, helper, but... Hey, good thing he was going for the bonk, true. Well, good for me, bad for him. Should I consider the bird a him? I should. Alright, one more sunflower, I believe. And we are done. That's not where I meant to put you. But let's attract this boy and kill him quicker. Oh, and apparently start off on your boy. And quest completed. Oh. Okay, so apparently the butters do not affect them when they are swinging. I do not like this fact. It is an annoying fact. You try, but... Oh. Never mind, I was gonna let the bird try to take it, but, Corny Corn, thought, no. Hilarious. Hey, when you destroy that bucket boy, why don't you let, my boomerang finish him off? But first, that triggers me. And level completed. Money, come to me. And this video's 18 minutes long. And we only did one level. I guess it's because I lost. Probably. Okay then. You know what? Seeing as it's tradition for me, let's try to get that triple P shooter. Is it called the triple P shooter? I don't actually know. It's low tide and the waves are coming in. Grab your water wings. We're going to get wet. I don't know why I decided to do that. Oh no! Okay, I need, you. And because I want to get rid of you, Alright, let's go. Well, let's rock. Okay, I can afford the entire strat. Unfortunately, it's just gonna have to be these guys. Probably should have gotten the cabbage if I knew this was gonna happen. Perfect. I really don't like those barrels. But as long as I can kill the pusher... I'm sorry, since when were they able to swing on the docks? Like, actually, since when? So much butter! Even more butter! Yo! Double kill! I love the double kills. Oh, where's your guys' birds? Oh yeah, they're dead. No, I don't care if this is a waste. I don't want to lose my stuff. All to some crates. This was my setup. They killed my setup. And I'm not even at the final wave, so there's gonna be even more soon. Which honestly is not good. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this, see what happens. A 24-minute long video, guys. Haha, they're dead. Yay, boy. See, I wanted to save that last one for this. Though it appears that would not have mattered, because... Oh, wait, no, the bucket. Barrel. Yeah, there it goes. Well, looks like I'm not getting some money. Maybe. I might. I might, actually. I don't have the money, game. Okay, no, yeah, I am losing one. Figures. Well, looks like I used up a lawnmower for once. I hope putting you in the level counts, because I hate using him. But yeah, that was troublesome, but also fantastic. And I really don't like myself right now. Now, I hope you guys did not see those notifications at all, and I mean, it didn't have any swearing, so I guess it doesn't matter, but still. Anyway, let's check our plants. See if I can plant any new ones for next time. And yep, 3 brand new ones. Oh, my new boy's already got his upgrade. Cool. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you all next time. And goodbye.